How to download images from Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here guys, I have this image as a background in this Google Docs. So I want to download it, and if you have Google Docs in multiple page, and if you have lots of image in one docs, if you want to download all images from Google Docs, you can also do that. So I will show you how you can do this. So here what you need to do, just open your Google Docs which you want to download images from, and now just go to the file here, go to the download and download as a HTML. Okay, just download it. It will be download in zip file. Just go and open that download location here. So okay, so I got that file, zip file here, you can see. Now just right click on it and extract file here. Then you will see the one web page or web page here in HTML document, and here you can see the another folder which images. So here you will see all images which you have on your document. So you will see all images here. So you can open it and you can use it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.